Hey biz heads, welcome back. This is Kira from SEO Oxford, and what I'm going to do for you today in this 5-minute segment is I'm going to show you and explain to you the basics of search engine optimization, so SEO. Okay, one of the keywords, a piece of jargon that you're going to hear a lot when it comes to search engine optimization is keywords. I'm going to show you now what a keyword is. Okay, so we're on Google, which is one of the most popular search engines on the internet. It gets around about 60% of the entire internet's searches, at least in the Western world. Okay, it's slightly different in China. So if I type in, for example, blue cat breeds, okay, and just wait for something to come up. These search queries that have come up are all in relation to the keyword that I've typed in. Okay, and the keyword here was blue cat breeds. Okay, so why is this important? This is important because what we would want to do as a business owner is we would want to find out what keywords are important for our business that will ensure that the right kind of people are finding our websites and that they are likely to convert into a sale or joining your membership group or whatever that might be. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next step. So the next step is to have a little look in a keyword research tool. There's many out there, okay, Moz, Ahrefs. I like to use Ubersuggest. So I'm going to go over to Ubersuggest now, and we're going to take this keyword that we've just typed in. Okay, so I'm signed in, perfect. And I'm interested in finding out what is the search traffic. So traffic is basically the amount of people in a given area. I'm interested in the United Kingdom, so the United Kingdom is selected here. It could be US, it could be Australia, it could be wherever I want, right? And I'm going to type in or copy and paste blue cat breeds, which was the keyword that we just searched for. And let's see on average per month how many searches it gets. Okay, so on average it gets 720 searches a month. Okay, I'm going to break down each of these sections for you. So search volume, that's how many searches on average it gets per month in the UK. Okay, next, SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty basically relates to giving you an indicator of how hard it's going to be to start ranking on page 1 for this particular keyword. Okay, 55, around about the middle. Personally, I would like it to be sub 30 if I am creating content for it, basically. Okay, so there are many different ways that we can look for longer tail keywords that are going to be sub 30 and related potentially. That's not what we need to be concerned about for now. Okay, right now we know, okay, SEO difficulty 55, not too bad, not too easy. Okay, paid difficulty 1, that basically means paid difficulty is how hard is it going to be to compete with other advertisers to be a sponsored ad on Google Ads, or so basically through Google Ads, so maybe showing up on someone's website, but also showing up on Google itself. There's no paid difficulty. Basically, 1 is the lowest it can be, and that's probably because, as the next box shows, cost per click 14 pence per click. It's because this is not a keyword that converts into a sale. Okay, now if I show you a different example, for example, divorce lawyer, like 2,400 volume, way more people are searching for that per month. SEO difficulty is actually less. Yeah, paid difficulty a lot more. These divorce lawyers, the firms, whatever you like, different parts of the divorce lawyer industry are competing to get that click. Okay, why? Because if we look at that next bit now, the cost per click, £19.76. That is how much a divorce lawyer, for example, if it is them themselves, is paying per click. People do not pay that money per click unless it is converting into a client which they're making a lot of money off. Okay, so that's really basics of SEO.